Did your doorbell ever catch something like this? They put "please dance" in the delivery instructions, and bro actually did it. This dog just rang the doorbell by himself and then stared straight into the camera like he's got a warrant. Ma'am, it literally says fragile, and she just yeeted it onto the ground. Doorbell goes, "You were being recorded," and this delivery guy just freezes, then breaks out the smoothest dance moves I've ever seen. And this cat jumped off a car, rang the doorbell, and then just meowed.